Watch your clearance on the left. Set it down gently by the yellow line.
What's the reading on this seam?
It's within tolerance. The laser confirms 0 deviation across the panel.
Look at that uniformity. Not a single red spot on the profile.
Perfect. This batch is cleared for assembly. Torque set.
Confirmed. Data logged successfully.
Oil pressure stabilizing right on target. Look at the turbo temps, absolutely perfect.
Now the heart of the vehicle begins its journey toward the main assembly hall, where it will meet its chassis.
Easy down. Check the alignment on the drivetrain bolt. Fuel systems connected, electronics engaged. Torque sequence complete, solid. The alignment sequence is complete. Confirmed. Initiating final torque procedures now.
Here, the meticulous stages of assembly culminate in the birth of a new Rolls-Royce, where the body meets the chassis with absolute precision.
All right, slowly now. Watch the alignment on the runners.
Got it. It's sitting flush.
Good. Now, the torque tool.
Panel gaps are perfect.
Confirmed. System check complete. Ready for startup. The thermal efficiency looks good across the power band.
Agreed. The new calibration is stable.
We measure the paint to micron accuracy. There is simply no room for imperfection at this stage.
Check the headliner by the A-pillar again. It's dry. The passenger footwell is clear too. Remarkable isolation from the road surface. And the steering input is registering perfectly within tolerance.
After rigorous inspection, the vehicle receives its final certification, ensuring it meets the unparalleled standards of Rolls-Royce. The gold thread on the espresso leather looks perfect. It truly captures the client's vision.
I'll confirm these specs right away. Vehicle identification number confirmed. All specifications match the order.
Perfect. Final approval granted for shipment.
All right, bring it back just a little more. Right there. We are secure.
Ramp is secure. Proceed with extraction. Keep her centered.
Miss Johnson, it is an absolute pleasure to finally meet you. Welcome.
Thank you. The showroom looks magnificent.
The craftsmanship is evident in the seamless wood grain and the hand-stitched leather, but the true masterpiece is the Starlight. Congratulations, sir. Here are the keys to your new Rolls-Royce Phantom.
Thank you so much. It's a beautiful vehicle.
Welcome aboard, sir.
Thank you.
For over a century,
Rolls-Royce has represented the pinnacle of engineering excellence, a legacy built on the relentless pursuit of perfection. From the Silver Ghost to the all-electric Spectre, this is where timeless tradition meets groundbreaking innovation.
If we adjust the airflow here, the drag coefficient improves significantly. The simulation confirms that, but watch the turbulence over the rear diffuser.